Hello traders. Today's November 22nd, 2024, and the Forex market has delivered another day full of opportunities. Whether you're riding the dollar's momentum or watching key pairs react to global events, there's no shortage of action. In this video, I'll break down today's highlights and give you a forecast to prepare for trading on November 23, 2024. Stick around because we'll dive into strategies tailored for the weekend market and what to look out for next week. Let's start by reviewing today's key movements. USD performance. The greenback extended its rally against major currencies, thanks to upbeat economic data out of the US. The Philly Fed index exceeded expectations, pointing toward economic resilience. The US dollar to Japanese yen surged past 150.20, as Japanese officials hinted they may delay further intervention despite recent yen weakness. Euro to US dollar dips further. The euro struggled, dropping to 1.0750, as concerns over sluggish German manufacturing data weighed heavily. The pair faced additional pressure after the European Central Bank reiterated its dovish stance, signaling no immediate plans for rate hikes. Pound sterling to US dollar struggles. The British pound couldn't hold gains, trading near 1.2250, as retail sales data missed expectations. This raised doubts about the Bank of England's ability to tighten policy further. Commodity currencies. The AUD and NZD struggled as risk-off sentiment hit global markets. Meanwhile, the Canadian dollar held steady against the USD, supported by rising oil prices. Several factors are driving the market. US dollar dominance. With positive economic indicators and stable Fed policy, the dollar remains the top-performing currency. Oil prices and commodities. Crude oil prices are nearing $80 a barrel, supporting currencies like the CAD but weighing on emerging market economies. Central bank divergences. The contrast between the Fed's hawkish tone and dovish stances in Europe and Japan continues to shape the currency landscape. Geopolitical concerns. Ongoing tensions in the Middle East are keeping investors on edge, boosting safe haven flows into the dollar and yen. Looking ahead, here's what you need to know for the weekend and beyond. Euro to US dollar. Expect this pair to test 1.0700 if bearish momentum persists. Keep an eye on developments in German economic data and any ECB comments. Pound sterling to US dollar. Key support at 1.2200 is likely to be tested. Watch for any news regarding UK fiscal policy or BOE commentary. US dollar to Japanese yen. With the yen showing weakness, resistance at 150.50 could be breached. However, watch for any surprises from Japan's Ministry of Finance. Australian dollar to US dollar. Risk sentiment will play a major role here. The pair might retest 0.6300, especially if global equities remain under pressure. The weekend is a great time to prepare for the week ahead. Here are some actionable tips. Plan ahead. Review economic calendars for high-impact events like the US PCE data coming next week. Set alerts. Use pending orders to catch breakouts or reversals while the market is quieter. Monitor news. Stay updated on geopolitical developments that could cause unexpected volatility. Practice discipline. Don't overtrade on low-volume weekend movements. Focus on quality setups. As we close out the week, remember that preparation is key. By staying informed and disciplined, you can navigate the Forex market with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with fellow traders, and subscribe to the channel for daily updates. Drop your questions and predictions for next week in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you're watching. See you in the next video, and as always, trade smart and stay safe.